Rechargeable flashlights are extremely useful tools to keep on hand and are a great way to reduce your impact on the environment. Plus, you won't need to make sure you have the right type of batteries on hand, saving space in your drawers. Many are even more powerful than battery-powered options. Like all flashlights, rechargeable ones come in all shapes and sizes suitable for different situations. If you're looking to illuminate your life, the best rechargeable flashlights will be there to lend a hand. Number 1. Illuminate S2R2. The Illuminate S2R2 earns our top spot thanks to its superb brightness, long battery life, and rugged design. It offers up to 1,150 lumens with 4,600 candelas and a maximum throw of 443 feet. It's an intensely bright light, and because of that, the brightest setting is best used exclusively outdoors. Luckily, you can select between turbo, the brightest setting, moonlight, and strobe mode for more control over your light. One feature that makes the S2R2 stand out is the battery indicator. Not many rechargeable flashlights offer that. Green, yellow, and red lights tell you how much charge is left in the battery, so you aren't guessing before heading out into the night. The S2R2 offers 6 different lighting modes, including turbo, moonlight, and strobe. The dimmest setting provides a runtime of 60 days, while the brightest will last for just under 4 hours. It's made of a textured aluminum alloy so that it won't slip out of your hand. Number 2. Rechargeable 3000L Flashlight. Most rechargeable flashlights are relatively expensive, but the Rechargeable 3000L offers a more affordable alternative. Despite its $15 price, it still has plenty to offer, making it a worthy choice for emergency kits or daily use. It provides up to 1,500 lumens, which is plenty of brightness for most situations. Unfortunately, Rechargeable doesn't provide a max throw or candela, but it does feature a telescoping design that allows you to adjust the beam width depending on what you need. The S3000L offers 5 different lighting modes, which include 3 brightness levels and a one-click emergency mode. It is made of military-grade aluminum alloy and is built to be highly durable, with an IP65 rating. One thing we really like about this light, besides its price, is that it charges via USB-C, which is what most devices use these days. That means you'll likely always have one on hand. Unfortunately, you'll be charging it more than other options. On the dimmest setting, it only offers around 10 hours of battery life, which is lower than other options on our list. But the price is hard to beat. Number 3. Goal Zero Lighthouse Micro Flash. If weight and size are key considerations for you, perhaps because you're looking for a rechargeable flashlight for backpacking, the Goal Zero Lighthouse Micro Flash is the best option. It weighs just 2.4 ounces and is only 3.66 inches long, so it won't take up hardly any space in your pack. It's also IPX6 rated and built to last. One unique feature of this Goal Zero light is that it can work as a lantern or flashlight. A ring at the top allows you to hang it from your tent or backpack when you want broad, filling light. In lantern mode, it offers up to 150 lumens. You'll get up to 120 lumens when using it as a flashlight. There are plenty of different modes to adjust the brightness as well. Depending on what brightness setting you use, you'll get anywhere from 7 to 170 hours of runtime. It charges via USB and can be fully charged within 3.5 hours. Number 4. Garmin Epix Pro, Gen 2, Smartwatch. It may seem odd to include a watch in a list of the best rechargeable flashlights. But this Garmin smartwatch features a built-in LED flashlight that is extremely useful. The light is built into the bezel of the watch on the top hand so that it naturally points in a useful direction without needing to contort your wrist awkwardly. A quick double tap of a button turns it on, and you can select between 4 different intensity levels, a red mode, and a strobe function. I find myself using the flashlight on my Epix Pro on a nearly daily basis. It's perfect for early morning walks in the dark with my dog or trying to find things in the back of dark cabinets. At 200 lumens, it is surprisingly bright for how little it is, easily illuminating what I need. Beyond the flashlight, the Epix Pro is an incredibly capable fitness watch. It features a long list of sensors to track and calculate a variety of health and performance metrics, including heart rate, sleep, VO2 max, and much more. Number 5. BioLite Headlamp 325. If bulky, heavy headlamps make night hikes a headache, consider the BioLite Headlamp 325, a lightweight light in the dark. It only weighs 1.7 ounces, and it doesn't bounce around while running or doing a cartwheel. The headlamp charges via micro-USB, An incredibly common charger you most likely already have around the house. A rear reflective strip alerts those behind you that you're there, and an articulating front bezel allows you to angle the light where you need it with just one hand. We recently took it on a trip to Arizona and were pleased with how its moisture-wicking fabric kept our forehead comfortable during nighttime jaunts to the bathroom or campfire. Plus, it laid flat to our heads, something we can't say with other headlamps we've tried. We named its beefier cousin, the BioLite Headlamp 800 Pro, as the best headlamp for hiking. If you're more of a casual wanderer or just need something to illuminate the way to take out the trash, the Headlamp 325 packs a powerful, portable punch.